First, install the gas cylinder onto the docking station. If the gas cylinder is too small and needs additional support, use the provided strap to secure it in place. Next, install the connector on the side of the docking station. To turn on the docking station, press and hold either the calibration or bump test button for more than 3 seconds. Once the power is on, the green LED will light up. Insert the MGT detector into the docking station with its display facing down. Now, press the calibration button. To begin the calibration test, press and hold the calibration button for 2 seconds. The test will run for approximately 90 seconds. During this time, the bay LEDs will light up to indicate the progress. Once the test is complete, all 6 bay LEDs will illuminate in blue, confirming that the MGT detector has successfully passed the calibration. Finally, to turn off the docking station, press and hold both buttons at the same time. If calibration is performed indoors through a docking station, then the rubber tube should be connected to the connector and then pulled out of the window for the user's safety.